Good morning, good morning. I'm stepping in real quick because I want to show you how I dry my green onions without having without the use of a dehydrator or anything like that, and without turning on the oven. Stay tuned. First thing I do is make sure I wash my onions really well, and then I lay them out here so they can air dry a little bit, and then I cut them and put them on a cooker. Chop them all. I'm gonna let it hang out to air dry for a while before I do the next step. Hey guys, so here goes. So they have dried up significantly after I set them out and I chopped them up. So now I put them in the oven with the light on, and I will close the door, not close it all the way, but keep it a little bit cracked, the door, to get a little bit of air in there, and it will be there for a couple of days or until it dries up. But there's no need to turn on the oven. This is how I do it. We'll check back in a couple of days and show you the end result. It's been a couple of days and it's all dry, see? And it smells really nicely. I'm just gonna now transfer it to a jar and then have it for when I need it. Some of them did turn a little bit brown, but I'm okay with that. But I do love this method. No need to turn on my oven and run electricity for so long. Although one might say, well, you're still running electricity because the light is on. But I prefer this method. I hope you give this a try. Thank you for watching.